Hi, I'm Ms. Vause and I'm your child's 7th grade science teacher. I keep all of our course requirements under course info in class notebook. All of our notes and classwork is also kept in class notebook. Our assignments are going to be posted to the assignments tab on Teams, and any information I usually just post in the general post page. The grades will be updated in PowerSchool regularly. You can check that if I leave any comments to fix any work that will be also available to you on PowerSchool. The platform that I use every day for instruction is Smart Learning Suite. So I upload my notes there, and there's interactive activities, and they access this by typing in hellosmart.com. So our due nows every single beginning of class is going to be on hellosmart.com. Attendance and participation is mandatory, and I can see when students log in and out of Teams, and I keep track of that. If any students are missing any work or they just want to catch up or maybe understand a concept further, I do daily RTI from 2 to 3:45, and they are welcome to message me, or we can have a one-on-one conference during that time, and it is a great time to catch up on any missing work. If you have any questions or need any tech support, you can go to our Creighton website and there's a parent tutorial there for you. You can also contact Miss Mazer, our media specialist, for any tech needs or any questions that you may have. Despite this year being a little bit confusing and a little bit hectic, I look forward to teaching your child, and I look forward to seeing them be successful in my class. Thank you so much. Bye.